मैं सड़ियल दिखती हूँ? नहीं ना, पता नहीं मुझे क्यों लोग सड़ियल बोलते हैं।
तू सड़ियल दिखती नहीं है बट तू सड़ियल है।
ओह, अब तो इसके सिर्फ टॉकिंग अबाउट बीइंग फेक, आपने कभी कोई ऐसा मोमेंट फेक किया है ऑन इंस्टाग्राम जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स लुकिंग गुड कि चल अभी मूड ऑफ है बट चल फेक कर देती हूँ?
Yeah.
One influencer trend you think is overrated?
Get ready with me.
Hi guys, I'm Amanpreet Kaur
And I'm Bhavika.
and you're watching
Bold
Boldmates. Guys, today we have a very chatpata guest with us. She is my personal favorite. She is Simar Arora, who is a fashion and a lifestyle content creator. And I have been following her content since forever. And today I have her on my couch and I'm super excited. Welcome to our
Welcome.
podcast, Simar.
Hi guys.
So I think everybody feels that content creation is super glamorous.
हाँ,
As-
मतलब
as
as
from
a
me.
मतलब मेरे को तो यही लगता है कि मतलब जितने भी कंटेंट क्रिएटर होते हैं बहुत ही चिल लाइफ होती है और इट्स सो ग्लैमरस, लेकिन अब मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा लगने लगा है कि नहीं, इट्स नॉट
But we
that
can
tough
ask from the
also.
professional
Yes,
itself.
why
Please
don't
tell
you
us about
tell
your
us?
life. We need to know.
Yes.
Give us some tea.
Well, I think the glamour part fades away after a year or two. It's a very competitive job and it's like a full-time job. 24 hours, 365 days, even on those peak festive time also. It's not like that you're chilling with your family. I think glamour is just a part of it, but it's a very competitive mad job. Like you just have to like keep working and keep posting and keep engaging with your audience because you have to maintain your dashboard. Yes.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
And you know what? Sometimes I feel that we are actually obligated to put stories and everything because हमें अपना engagement ही maintain करना
Yeah.
पड़ता है.
Yeah.
And every time you don't feel like doing that. Sometimes you're not in a good mood, but
I
you
am
have
that
to do
person.
it.
Most of the times I don't want to show my I don't feel like showing what I'm doing.
As you grow up, no Simar, I also feel that नहीं करता है मन.
Yeah.
मुझे चाय की फोटो नहीं डालनी, मेरा conscious choice है. मुझे वो मुझे क्लब की फोटो नहीं
डालनी कि हाँ मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, मैं ये कर रही हूँ, मैं ये खा रही हूँ, मैं ये पी रही हूँ. I don't want to do that.
That's my conscious choice and I think नहीं हो सकता वो हमारे केस में.
I think everyone's different, so you don't
Yeah.
have to copy or you don't have to.
Plus you know अभी तो I am वो बोलते हैं ना अभी तो budding influencers जैसे मैं हूँ, आप तो already बहुत अच्छे level पे
I'm
हो.
still budding. ऐसा कुछ नहीं
But
है.
whatever, you
But
still
still.
a lot better, like you know.
I've not reached millions yet, yeah.
I know, I understand, but you know, still, I think you have to put yourself out there, and people don't understand. It's really very tough.
It is.
लोग बोलेंगे कि क्या मतलब क्या बात करिए, मतलब ये भी काम ही है कि कैमरा को
Yeah,
ऑन करके
you
खड़े
have
रहना
to-
24 घंटे.
yeah.
Right,
It's
and
work
then you have
only.
to constantly work towards it so that people actually can relate to it and like
Exactly.
But how much do you want to relate to it? You have to have your own experiences now. You can't
Experiences
keep
also.
relating to people.
That's why it's a tough
He's
task.
doing this,
That's
so
why
I
it's
want to do
tough.
this. She's doing this, so I want to do this. No, you have to make your own
I think the
choices.
toughest choice in our toughest thing in our industry is to stay relevant.
Hmm.
Because a lot of people, and correct me if I'm wrong, I think she will agree with this, these fashion influencers, they've lost their credibility now. Nobody's following these fashion influencers anymore. Because एक time था जब COVID पे fashion influencers बहुत चढ़े थे.
Yeah,
But
they
I
were
think now
booming.
everybody has money, everybody has access to everything. Nobody wants to know which lipstick you're using, which shit. Sometimes, yeah, I also get comments, what are you wearing? But I don't think these get ready with me wala influencers, I think now they are all outdated.
I think somewhere it's not about what they're wearing, and sometimes it's like what they're
Boring.
wearing is in practical world you can't wear that.
Right.
Yeah.
Because they're wearing certain
It's
outfits which
comfortable
maybe suits their body type and not the average Indian body type. So if you look at them and they're wearing those petite and those small tops and whatever, like I have no problem. You have the body, you made that body, or maybe you worked on that. But I feel like at the same time, not everyone has that
You have
body,
to be
or
realistic.
it's not about confidence. It's about you are an Indian. I think you live in Delhi, and I feel like one needs to decide and choose and know what they're wearing and how and where. So you have to be very mindful. You just can't look at someone, oh, this creator is wearing this, I should also try that. I mean, you can if you feel like, but it's not for everyone.
Yeah. And it should make relevance, as Kushi said, that if you can relate, being like if I
Yeah,
watch some influencer, I would want to watch such an influencer who can actually do a relatable or something that can be done in real life.
Influencer word में ही मतलब influence
Also,
है use
when we talk about relatability, it needs to be something which happens in everyone's life. For example, like during PMS, we all bloat. We have mood swings. We have
Correct.
like, you know, you can't wear a certain outfit
Right.
even though you were dying to wear it
Right,
on that
that's-
particular occasion.
Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. That the influencer also has to show that there are such flaws also about life. There is nothing.
Yeah,
like
not everything
perfect.
is
There is
picture
nothing-
perfect.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
nothing like perfect, and it's almost every influencer is hiding these things most of
I
the
don't know
time.
why.
And this is so important to show your real self out there so that
Everyone can
Let's
relate to it and
normalize-
learn from it.
let's
Yeah.
normalize being normal.
Yeah.
But I honestly मतलब just सच्ची बताना get ready with me से बोर नहीं हो गए
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yeah, I don't want to see what you're doing. I'm sorry. I have my own choice. I have my own taste. So probably yes.
बोर नहीं
Not
हो गया
all the
है।
time, at
मतलब
least.
all the time ठीक है there are some
Once in a
relevant
while you can do
content
that.
creators
Like somebody's doing their makeup in like 10 seconds and they're doing all of that and then someone's asking, oh, which blush are you using? Don't you know that maybe that blush suits her but might not suit your skin tone? So you
Exactly.
need to be mindful and go to a MAC store and see what suits you.
Exactly. अब मुझे लग
True.
रहा है fashion. I'm really no offense to fashion influencers. There are some great fashion influencers,
Yeah.
but I think now they need to be a little realistic.
Realistic.
They need to come out of that zone. एक तो ऐसे कपड़े पहनो जो दूसरे लोग पहन पाए.
I think affordability also comes in that.
affordability
Yeah.
also.
They're
That's what I'm
going to
saying.
some markets and getting those, you know, like doing like a street shopping and getting something which is either reasonable or maybe something which looks good yet they did not make a hole in their pocket. Like
I used to love those Sarojini Nagar videos that quirky miss used to make.
Komal Pandey used to make these.
Yeah.
Pandey
videos.
used to make. I used to love those
Love
videos.
her. मतलब
but
अभी
now I think it's all about designers and
It
designers
is.
and designers and it
because
becomes
of course they're making money and
Money
minting
out.
money and which is not wrong.
Nah.
But you also need to make some videos where you're wearing. I'm not talking about Komal Pandey. In general, influencers ही मैं बोल रही हूँ. I love Komal Pandey by the way. But मैं generally भी बोल रही हूँ यार तुम हर जगह पूरा ऐसा मेकअप अरे नॉर्मल बंदे के हिसाब से
yeah, I
भी
think
थोड़ा
people have
करो.
started hating their bare skin. They always want to put something on their face so that they look presentable, and it's okay to have a bare skin, like you
Yeah,
know.
we all
Just
have
being real.
texture.
We all have texture, we all have pimples, we all have dark circles, we have like an uneven skin tone, and that's okay.
And that's normal. That's
बट मैं इन
fine.
जनरल भी अगर किसी से बात करती हूँ कोई ब्रांड भी अप्रोच करता है नाउ दे आर लाइक नो मोर फैशन वीडियोस अनलेस कोई वो है उसमें भी आई वांट यू टू रैंट बिकॉज मेरा नीश है आई रैंट मेरी रैंट वीडियोस होती है आई वांट यू टू रैंट अभी नॉर्मल का टाइम गया आई थिंक अभी थोड़ा सा यू नो यू नीड टू बी अ लिटिल मोर रिलेटेबल
Yes.
people have access to everything they have access to phones internet money everything so everybody knows I think we have to थोड़ा सा update
Also the
होना
AI
पड़ेगा.
also being a part of it, as soon as you just type on or like look at one of the reels related to one certain brand, they start showing you the brands or they're showing something, you know, those things comes कि अगर आपने कोई drape skirt ढूंढी तो आपको वो already Instagram पे इतनी सारी ads आने लग जाती है of all the brands who are doing drape skirts and so yeah, it's crazy out there. So
it's a little fake
A little.
I think it's a little too much.
It's not a little. Yeah, it's too much.
about if you're talking about being fake आपने कभी कोई ऐसा मोमेंट फेक किया है ऑन इंस्टाग्राम जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स लुकिंग गुड कि चल अभी मूड ऑफ है पर चल फेक कर देती हूँ ओके दिस प्लेस इज इट्स लुकिंग गुड एंड कर देती हूँ
Yeah.
सब
See,
करती
that
है.
is called real influencing. I mean, it's okay
I
to
think it's a
accept
part of a
it.
job. It's a
Yeah.
part of a job. Like suppose you've come for an event and you, for example, most of the time brands call you for an event and they're like, oh, come, we'll be happy to have you and blah blah blah. So you what you're doing is you're making an effort. You're going out. You're taking your time out and. Considering Delhi traffic is so mad, anywhere you have to go, you have to be prepared for 1 hour sitting in the car,
Exactly.
aram se, and then you'll reach there. And what they do is, they want you to promote their brand so that they can make money, but instead they'll give you nothing in return. So you'll be like, what the fuck? Why am I here?
brands also need to start respecting influencers I think it's high time the way
But there's
people
so many of
approach-
them now. Any girl and every girl
no,
and
the way, no, I mean the way they approach the influencers also back when I used to have like 6,000 followers 5,000 followers brands used to be like बाटा कर लो ना अभी उसके बाद वो कर लेंगे and मेरे को ना तब भी नहीं पसंद आता था because मेरा थोड़ा नेचर्स को पता है I don't take shit मैं थोड़ी बिल्कुल on the face हूँ मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है
So
इस
am I.
वजह से I've lost a lot of friends but ठीक है ओके क्योंकि मैं बुलशिट टॉलरेट नहीं कर सकती मेरा
Yeah.
बुलशिट मतलब मीटर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है जीरो तो मुझे वो पसंद नहीं आता था द वे दे स्पीक टू इन्फ्लुएंसर्स. कोई आप भाजी पुलाव खरीदने आए हो यहाँ पे, वी आर आल्सो वर्किंग हार्ड. अरे 6,000 में कर दो ना, 5,000 में कर. यू कांट स्पीक टू अ क्रिएटर लाइक दैट. कम ऑन, वी आर वर्किंग हार्ड. And abhi wahi brands with, if I have a good reach now, they have a full proper message curated. Ma'am, we would love for you to work and we're ready to pay you this amount. But I think brands को भी थोड़ा सा sympathy होनी चाहिए, empathy होनी चाहिए for the influencers. हम यहाँ पे time pass नहीं करें.
नहीं, कोई भी time pass
अगर इतना ही है, आप अपनी टीम से कोई ढूंढ लो, उसको बोलो कैमरा के आगे खड़ा हो जाए, you pay them or you don't pay them and they'll do it for you.
Just how your brand is your baby, we are also,
This
also
content creation is our baby,
only.
right? I mean,
Just
But I feel like there's so many of them now out there now. I feel like there's so many influencers when it comes to fashion, lifestyle, entertainment, or whatever. Like every second person is an influencer or content creator. The fact that they feel like अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो हम किसी और से करवा लेंगे. How does it matter? And there are a lot of people
मेरे
who are
साथ हुआ है
desperate,
ऐसा.
hungry,
मेरे साथ
and
ऐसा हुआ
they
है.
want to do it.
मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, तो okay, then we'll approach. I said okay. Do.
Yeah, you
So
make
एक
your
बार
own
एक brand,
choices.
there's this dating app. They approached me. I made a video.
Yeah.
Okay. I said no, ये नहीं करेगा. मैंने कहा आप इसको करो. This will blow up on internet.
Yeah.
नहीं हो सकता वो. मैंने कहा मैंने तो वीडियो बना दी है. आपको मैंने बोला था मैं सेकंड शूट नहीं करूंगी. You give me my payment. और कितना बहुत कम, मतलब बहुत कम पैसे थे वो, because I did not have a lot of followers. And they were like, sorry, we can't pay you. And I was like, ठीक है, मैं बहुत छोटी follower थी, मेरे followers बहुत, मैं छोटी content creator थी, मेरा दिमाग बहुत खराब हुआ. उसका वो हटा के, वो वाला पार्ट हटा के मैंने डाल दिया. 10 मिलियन चली गई वो वीडियो. उधर से आया कि आप ऐसे एक और क्रिएट कर सकते हो. मैंने कहा सॉरी, आई डोंट वांट टू वर्क विद योर ब्रांड.
Yeah.
मैंने उसको मना कर दिया. आई डोंट वांट. एंड दैट गाय फ्रॉम दैट ब्रांड, वो जो कोऑर्डिनेटर है उधर से, ही फॉलोज मी अभी भी. ही कीप्स ऑन लाइकिंग माय स्टोरीज एंड पिक्चर्स अभी भी. सो बस ठीक है, इफ यू डोंट रिस्पेक्ट मी,
Yes. ये करना भी जरूरी है.
I think it takes you some time to make your own space or your own place in this whole
you should have
industry.
written it in the brief, na?
But
That
then
we'll
they'll
give
know.
you a script.
Now they'll know.
We'll give you a script. You should have written that in your brief.
Yeah.
But you're like, no, we are giving you that creative leverage. Do whatever you want to do.
They never
Now
give
that
you
you have
any
given
script. They also doesn't give you any leverage. They just make a fool out of you by saying कि हाँ जी आप अपना कर लो, and then they completely make it about the brand so that the reach doesn't come. The people who are watching it, they don't enjoy watching it.
Boring, na?
It just becomes like हाँ ये तो brand promotion कर रही है, क्या करना है, skip करो. Nobody wants to see that. Even I would want to see something where it starts from a brand promotion and ends on a brand promotion. Like, who has the time?
Nobody likes
Everyone.
This is ultra hydrating. I would like to put it up. अरे यार बस करो यार. ये people want relatable.
But then
content.
how
Even
many
people know what is
moisturizer can you
कैसी चीज़
promote
क्या
or
है.
how many sunscreen can you promote? Everyone uses the same, I think. Maybe you change after a while if you've tried. But I feel like it takes you, like I'm very loyal to the products that I use and I've been using the same for quite some time now. And I feel like it's very rare that I change to some other product. But if I have to promote something, you have to be mindful. It's not always about money. It's not always about brand. It also you have to create your own image, and it
Right.
takes you time to build that image. But some people, they say, oh no, it's a brand, I have to work with it, so they do it. So
Yeah, for money, people do it. Of course.
yeah, a lot of people do it, even if they're creators who might have like maybe say 100k, 200k, and if they get a query about certain brand and they're saying okay, we're okay to pay you 10k, they literally ruin the market for everyone.
I'll tell you, I know this creator personally, मतलब I know this creator through circle. वो जिंदगी में कभी उस ब्रांड के कपड़े नहीं पहनेगी, और वो पहन के कार्टून लग रही थी. उसने पूरा प्रमोट किया उस ब्रांड को और शिट बोला उसने उस ब्रांड
यही
के बारे में
होता
इधर ही खड़े होकर, यहीं पे इसी जगह पे. I'm telling you. So this is how it works. It's that. So you have to be very mindful of who you follow. क्योंकि influencer word में ही influence आता है. सही इन्फ्लुएंस करने वाले हो, मतलब आपको चूज भी करना होता है. हर
Yeah.
कोई उठ के इन्फ्लुएंसर.
But it takes you a while now because everyone is trying to create an image and they're working and they have like a mood board, this, that, everything. I feel
इतना
like,
फेक,
huh?
इतना फेक.
It's work now. It's like a job. It's like someone's profession. It's like a business. In
At
business
least
also.
you do not shame that brand that you've worked for the
Worked
brand. The
for.
brand has paid you. You do not shame that brand in front
There
of
should be
6
some.
people.
That was my next question. Like,
Exactly.
there should
I
be
don't
some
like a
amount
product.
of-
I will not speak ill about that brand. ठीक है,
Yeah,
okay,
okay.
चुपचाप
It was
अपना
an
काम करो.
experience.
Professionalism
Yeah.
नाम की भी चीज होती है, उसको maintain
पर
करके
आपके
रखना
साथ कभी ऐसा मोमेंट हुआ है किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर को ऐसे, you don't have to take a name, कि आपने ऐसे देखा उसकी रील क्या
ये
कर
क्या
रही
है?
है, ये क्या कर रही है, क्यों कर रही है, अब now she's not relevant, why is she doing it again and again?
Yeah, I think so. Wait, let me just. Yeah. Yeah.
इसकी smile देख रही है, yeah,
हाँ, वो
Yeah,
सोचा
yeah.
Not just one. I think there are a couple of them, and I think maybe it goes to me also at times because you can't be 10 on 10 every day.
हम
Every
किसी के
video
बारे में
cannot
बोल
be.
रहे हैं तो कोई हमारे बारे में ऑलरेडी बोल रहा है,
अरे
आप
बोलने
बोलो,
दो.
आप बोलो,
I think
क्योंकि
I've,
हमारे बारे में बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, आप बोलो, खुल के बोलो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
it took me a while because I used to get a lot of hatred messages and a lot of thing, and it took me a while to understand that it's their problem, not mine. So if somebody has an opinion for me, it's their opinion.
There are some creators that I really like. For example, ये जो बनिया की रील्स कौन बनाता
Chetan.
है? चेतन बनाता है.
Yeah.
मुझे वो बंदा पसंद है यार, मतलब वो बंदा chill है, वो किधर किधर खड़े होके कुछ
But
कुछ
he
भी बोल के
is
रील बना
he
देता है
is
वो.
so good with the ideas and all. And when
Very
we used to
good.
work, I've never made content with him, but we've made content together. Like we have a group. Like there's Ranveer, there's Tanish, there's Chetan.
That Sardar ji.
Yeah, Narula. Yeah,
Yeah,
Ranveer Narula.
okay, I
So
know.
so I actually
I
started
saw
with
his
these
reels.
guys. So I started with Kashish Anand, then there was Ranveer, then there was Tanish.
Kashish Anand.
He makes it on those a lot of series, the Bollywood series, Atish Kapoor ones. I don't know if you've seen it. He used to make those
Oh.
Arora Uncle reels also.
Got it. समझ गई,
Yeah,
got it.
yeah. So I
I like
actually
that one also. Dharna.
Dharna, yeah,
I
Dharna.
love her, man.
She's too good.
Oh, yeah.
She's too natural.
She's something, bro. She's something. She has
और
something.
वही देखने में मजा भी आता है.
Yeah, because I think more than I feel like more than my generation, it's my parents' generation, my mom, my masi, and my buas, and all of that. They actually enjoy
Enjoy
watching
those
her. They
reels.
literally
Exactly,
share it so many times because they love it. They love how she talks with Damadji wali video and maybe the one where she's
I think-
the makeup no the parlor wali auntie too. I think she's too good.
I think it all started with Lily Singh.
Who Lily Singh?
Lily Singh used to make such videos, na?
I
About
don't know.
Indian desi moms.
I
and
think ये तो
everything
ब्लो
like
अप
that.
धारणा उससे हुई थी जब दीपिका पादुकोण ने उसकी शेयर की थी रील, वो डांस वाली चिप चिप जिग जिग चिप चिप जिग जिग, वहां से वो हुई थी बहुत ब्लो अप. बट उससे पहले वो भी बनाती थी, इतनी वायरल नहीं जाती थी.
So exactly, there's so many, and I've seen.
I like युवराज दुआ also.
Yeah, he's too good.
Recently
Modi ji.
मोदी जी ने शेयर किया उनका कि I please request your dad to have less sugar. I was like wow, I mean like मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को लोग रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Because then I've seen some actors who are like influencers.
But he's one of those top creators, yeah.
भाई
He's one of
उसका
those
content worth it.
very
भी है.
good.
मतलब
It's very relatable also.
very relatable. Very relatable.
His sister also started making recently, so yeah, he's too good. And I think one of the what was that movie where Ranveer Singh was there and Alia Bhatt was there? The
Rocky
song.
Rani.
Yeah. So I think this is what I've heard that Ranveer Singh and Yuvraj Dua used to chill together because he had to play this
उसको,
Delhi
हाँ,
guy character.
Delhi का
So,
सारा
yeah.
slang सिखाना था.
हाँ, सिखाया था.
Yeah. So yes.
So do you think influencer life makes relationships harder or easier?
Huh? So I'm going to talk about myself. I feel like it makes my guy has been a true blessing to me because he's been pushing me. At times I've been telling him I'm not doing this. He's like, no, you have to do it. You have to
Same.
do it. You have to face your challenges. And I feel like I'm
Same.
super blessed. And wherever I am today, it's somewhere he's also part of it because you need to have a really good partner family is okay, but also a partner because your partner is going to push you. He's going to tell you that you can do it. And then once you do it, you'll be like, yes, I knew it. But of course, you're going to tell him that कि हाँ मुझे पता था मैं कर लूँगी.
He always pushes me कि करो.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मैं बीच में I left content creation बिल्कुल ही because it takes a toll on you. You're shifting to a new family and there were other personal reasons going on in my family also. So 1.5 years I was like
Not there.
बिल्कुल ही. अगर मैं होती तो शायद आज मेरे followers ज़्यादा होते मुझे लगता
But
है.
I think
अभी भी आपके ज़्यादा ही हैं. Don't worry about it. It'll grow.
नहीं,
Yeah.
but पता है
अगर
इसका
मैं
जो
करती तो मैं
comeback
बहुत
हुआ है
better
वैसे
live.
shh करके
Yeah.
comeback हुआ है ऐसे.
ऐसे ही होता है.
और उसी ने ही मुझे पुश किया. I think मैं उसको काफी ज्यादा क्रेडिट दूंगी.
Yeah. Me
So,
too.
आपने भी किया, इसने भी किया. नमन इज माय
मैं
चाइल्डहुड
उसी की
फ्रेंड.
शक्ल
इसने भी
देख के
मुझे
बेचारे-
बहुत पुश किया है कि कर, तू करेगी. सो मैं फिर मैंने करा कि ठीक है अब मैं स्टार्ट करती
Yeah.
हूँ. मैंने 6 months पहले सोचा भी नहीं था कि मैं पॉडकास्ट कर रही हूँगी ऐसे लोगों से.
वो तो मैंने भी नहीं सोचा.
ओके Okay, now we have a gossip segment for you.
Okay.
And you have to answer that. One line में आप answer कर सकते हो.
Yeah,
ठीक
yeah.
है? One influencer trend you think is overrated.
Get ready with me.
वे तो very
Perfect.
वो है. Soft
Soft
launches
launches
versus
versus
hard
hard
launches.
Soft launches are like hard launches. I think just get done with it now. There's so many
But
people
I
we're
like
looking
soft
at.
launches.
But I,
Okay, soft launches are cute until you're like wait, like maybe 4 stories, 2, 3 reels, not for like a year and a half.
No, not
Like I
that.
know this influencer. She took a while. She would always hold hands and show the guy's back and hair, and they're kissing, but you can't see the guy's face.
but
And then you actually saw the face. It was like not worth it. So you'll be like, fuck it.
honestly, but everybody knows only तू किसको date करी है तो बहन तू दिखाई दे. वो better ही है क्योंकि
Not everybody knows. I don't have the time to go find out who she dating, who she dating. I'd be like, fuck this
Reddit
shit.
circles are connected.
सबको
Okay,
पता
होता है.
everybody is connected to everyone. So there's this influencer.
मैं गॉसिप कभी मांगती नहीं हूँ, वो आ जाती है तो देख लेती हूँ, मैं कभी बोलती नहीं हूँ
मैं भी
tell me
चलती फिरती
something.
टी हूँ, चाय हूँ. मेरे को सब पता होता है.
Yeah.
So मैं कहा, भाई स्यापा मुका यार दिखा उसको तो
और जब उसने दिखा भी दिया, उसके बाद एक और अलग से कंट्रोवर्सी थी and all of that, and then you like, now this is fun. उससे पहले वो बोरिंग हो रहा था.
नहीं बोरिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. आई थिंक जल्दी से जल्दी दिखा दो. एक दो बहुत है फोटोज ऐसे सॉफ्ट लॉन्च.
Yeah, but I'm
Rather-
somebody who's not interested in anyone's personal life.
I'm interested in
I'm
everyone's
not.
personal life. Please give me tea, guys.
I'm not. I'm
I'll spill
like,
it all over the place.
I don't want
No,
negativity
you
in my
should not.
life. Like,
अच्छा ठीक है यार, ठीक है क्या पता भाई कल को किसी के साथ हुआ हमारे साथ भी हो सकता है.
yeah, you better be careful.
Yeah. Okay. Couple content, genuine or a business model?
Obviously, a business model. Who would want to show their bedrooms to bathrooms to what you're doing on a fucking Instagram? Sorry.
सैफ अली खान का रीना आप हमारे बेडरूम में घुस जाओ. हमारे बेडरूम में आ जाओ. आप ही क्या चोर.
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, it's a business model.
Have you ever thought this breakup was definitely for engagement?
Yeah, if you're putting it out there and you're literally defaming both of the guys and the girl and like, उसने मेरे साथ ये किया, इसने मेरे साथ ये किया, but you guys were like totally into it, ना? So
सही
आप
बात
क्या?
Hmm.
And I feel like,
वो वाली पोस्ट ठीक रहती है कि now you're not together.
Yeah, yeah, give us our-
उसमें वो इसने मेरे साथ इसके साथ ऐसे ऐसे किया है,
हाँ,
वैसे ऐसे किया है.
guys,
मजा
मैं
तो
इसकी
बड़ा आता है
असलियत
यार, मुझे
बताऊं?
तो देखने में मजा ही आ जाता है देख के.
मेरे को ना एक वो मिर्ची का वो फेरना पड़ेगा अपने ऊपर भाई, नजर उतारनी पड़ेगी साथ. मेरे को तो मेरी खुद
No, but I feel like कि ठीक है, breakups are very personal और जब genuinely किसी का breakup होता है तो you don't even feel like doing anything, and now that you're coming in front of the camera and you're recording it and you're saying अब मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ इसका असली चेहरा क्या है, like अच्छा तुम्हें पहले नहीं पता था? You were dating a fucking red flag
सही में, 3-4
and now you realize कि oh shit, you know, I'm telling you this guy is like this guy has done that. Oh, come on.
That's true. Have you ever read a Reddit thread about yourself? What hurt
मैं
you
अभी
the
इतनी
most?
फेमस नहीं हुई हूँ और मैंने ऐसी कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीज नहीं करी है. मैं अपनी लाइफ को
मेरे
अपने
ऊपर भी कोई
पास
Reddit
रखती
thread नहीं
हूँ.
बनी.
मैं बना दूं.
क्या बनाएगी? कोई फेक गॉसिप डाल दियो.
मेरे पास अब सारी रियल गॉसिप्स रियल डाल देती हूँ.
ज्यादा नहीं बोलते. आगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
One rumor about you that is completely false and you would like to clear it.
क्लियर तो मुझे लगता है उसके फेस से वो करना चाहिए. बट बता दो.
The people think that I'm a very surreal insan, which I'm not. I'm very choosy when it comes to talking to people. So I went for this trip to Jodhpur with a lot of girls, and this girl told me that जब मैंने आपको पहली बार देखा था तो मुझे लगा था कि आप बहुत ही ज्यादा, you know.
सेम लोगों को ऐसा लगता है मैं बहुत सड़ी.
And then when we just started talking, and she's like, आप बहुत chill हो, and I was like, भाई मैं chill ही हूँ, but it's just like I choose my people.
मैं सड़ियल दिखती हूँ. नहीं
नहीं.
ना. पता नहीं मुझे क्यों लोग सड़ियल बोलते हैं.
तू सड़ियल दिखती नहीं है, but तू सड़ियल है.
ओह. अब तो इसके साथ बनना पड़ेगा मुझे सड़ियल real life.
I like the honesty.
अभी बच्चे ऑफ कैमरा बात करते हैं.
घुटाई होगी.
Hmm.
कंबल घुटाई.
हाँ.
What's the craziest rumor you have read about another influencer?
That he's a bisexual.
Really?
Oh. That's a rumor, that's not true.
That can be true. I don't know. I've not checked with him. Like, hi, are you bisexual? Yeah.
Do you think Reddit exposes truth or just creates some drama?
I think everyone likes to gossip, so it's a perfect place to gossip, and everyone just try to put things so that they can get more tea out of it. So they just add on things to it. So yeah.
Okay. Have you ever believed a rumor that about an influencer and later realized it was wrong? सब सच्ची होता है मोस्टली.
Yeah, if it's getting out, I feel like it's somewhere 70% it's true and 30% is made up. So yeah.
सी बेसिक वाला ना सही, जैसे मैं तेको बताती हूँ, जो डिश होती है ना सेम होता है, ऊपर का मसाला थोड़ा
चेंज होता है बट बेस स्टोरी वही रहती है.
उसने बोला है मैं सड़ियल हूँ तो मैं सबको प्रूफ.
Okay, are influencer friendships real or just collabs in disguise?
Fake.
They're never friendships. I feel like
No, some influencers fake.
so. I feel like sorry, your real friends are your friends. You can be acquaintance. You can be cordial to people because you need your kind of people when you're going out for events or you're meeting or whatever. But friendship is a very, I think, I wouldn't say fake. I wouldn't say real. I would say they're just like being nice to each other if they get the vibe. I'm not a very friendly person. I am good friends with the creator friends that I have, like, you know, Ranveer and Kashish and Tanish and Nandan and all of these guys. Because we work together, so we vibe together,
Bond
because
on
we
that,
have to be
yeah.
in that energy of, like, you know, blah, 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 and then and I'm also good friends with some female creators who are influencers, like a fashion influencer, and they get my vibe, I get their vibe. So yeah, but not
I
like
only have 4.
besties.
Sorry.
I have only 2 friends, 2 3 friends.
Yeah, if you have 2 friends, then they're your genuine friends. If you have like so many friends,
I have
then
4-5 girlfriends, and I think that's.
I think I'm a very bad friend because I can't keep up with everyone's life, and you know, like, I'm not that person because I zone out, I isolate,
We zone
and I
out
get
a lot.
into like my own.
So many times we're just sitting, we're not doing anything, और मैं और भाविका बस एक दूसरे की शक्ल, क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं, क्या खाएगी, अच्छा नहीं
बड़ा
खाएगी,
बाबू।
Yeah, yeah.
बैठ जाएगी,
चाय
टीवी
और
लगा
बड़ा
ले.
बाबू।
I think my real friends are the ones who know me, and then they just call me and they lift me up, or they can't say things to me. Other than that, I don't give anyone the liberty to come and say things to me. I like, shut the fuck up. Like, nobody has
I think we
the.
have reached that point in our life जहाँ पे वो रील भी आई थी ना, hang out doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah.
हम लोग ग्रोसरी
Grocery
शॉपिंग
shopping
करने
भी
जा
हो
रहे
गया
हैं,
तो
वो हमारी मीटिंग
मजा आ रहा है उसमें.
डेंटिस्ट अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए भी गए,
वो भी
वो
साथ
भी
में
हो गई,
हो
मैं
गया.
हॉस्पिटल चली गई, इसके साथ चाय पी ली, वो भी मीटिंग. हैंग आउट डजंट मैटर.
It doesn't have to be like too much effort. You used to be just being there. Yeah.
Hanging out right
This is
now.
hangout. That's why we started this podcast. हमें बातें ही करनी है, वैसे बातें कर लेते हैं.
Why
क्या
not?
फर्क पड़ता है?
I think I have 4-5 girlfriends और इतनी क्लोज नेट है ना, उसके बाहर मैं चाहती नहीं कि मेरी लाइफ जाए, क्योंकि जाएगी ना तो ब्लास्ट हो जाएगा.
But I feel like female friendships are really hard. Like, if you being friends, I'm sorry if I'm saying this. Like, I know I might get a lot of hate for this, but female friendships are more harder than having friendship with the male guys, because with them you don't have to do too much tamjam. With female friends, I feel like you need to, because if
I
you
think-
don't keep up with your friend, if you're not texting her, if you don't text her on that same time, she might make a fuss out of it. With the boys, I feel like it's not that of a big deal.
हम तो एक दूसरे का फोन ही नहीं उठाते 4 दिन तक, 4 दिन बाद याद आता है.
मिस कॉल चलता है 2-3.
Yeah, it's the same with my best friend too. Like, I don't speak to her for weeks, and then one day we're just talking. We're talking for 2-3 hours,
वो
and
भी
we're
नहीं
telling.
होता हमारा, मुझे लगता है.
Mine is a long distance, na? So yeah,
नहीं होता
Even I have a long distance friend.
yeah.
आई थिंक हमारी फ्रेंडशिप इतनी पुरानी हो गई, वो इवॉल्व इतनी हो गई, हमने एक दूसरे के इतने अप्स एंड डाउन्स देख लिए, हाइज एंड लोज. बट यू नो, आई अग्री विद यू, लड़कों के साथ थोड़ा कम दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है. बट आई फील अगर आपकी 2 या 3 रियल गर्लफ्रेंड्स होगी ना लाइफ में, आई थिंक उससे सुंदर उससे बेस्ट कोई चीज ही नहीं है.
I do have.
तो jinx it, but मुझे हमारा ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ भी, चाहे हम कुछ भी सोच रहे हो, चाहे हमारे अपने रिलेशन के बारे में हम सोच रहे हो, अगर वो अच्छी चीज है ना तो भी हमें पता है हाँ ये सोच रही होगी, और वो बुरा है ना तो भी हमें पता होगी ये सोच रही है, अभी
Yeah.
मुझे पता है इसे कैसे ठीक करना है,
Yeah.
या ये मुझे
You just get to know your friend by the look
Love
also.
language भी पता लग गए एक दूसरे की कि कैसे हमें क्या पसंद है, और इसको मैं कैसे ठीक कर सकती हूँ, ये मुझे कैसे ठीक कर सकती
Yeah, you get to know.
हूँ. और मुझे नहीं लगता मेरी इस स्पेस में, अब बड़े हो गए यार, 27 साल की हो गया, मेरे को लगता है इस स्पेस में कोई घुस सकता है. अब मुझे नहीं लगता मेरे को ना ये बोलती है that you're very thick skinned,
Yeah,
hard shell,
yeah.
because of the events that have happened in my life also, very personal, people know it. मैं बहुत लोगों को घुसने नहीं देती अपनी लाइफ में.
Same.
मैं ऐसे रहती हूँ कि
Yeah.
अगर कोई मेरे बिल्कुल ही इनर जोन को आके टच कर गया, बस वो मेरा दोस्त बन गया. फिर मैं अगर खुल गई ना उसके बाद, उसके आगे मेरी लाइफ इज लाइक अ खुली किताब. आई बिकम लाइक,
Yeah.
आई थिंक एट दिस एज अब नए फ्रेंड्स बनाना इज नॉट.
No, I've made, like I was telling you, the boys, we've spoken about our journey being a creator, because it's not easy for everyone. It's very difficult because
know,
you
yeah.
constantly comparing yourself with other people. You're looking at their growth, you're looking at how well they're doing, you also look at their falls and ups and downs and everything. The fact that I feel like I'm into the other side of an adult friendship where we're talking about evolving, growing, talking about the real issues which is related to work, life, emotions, what you're feeling, you know. That is what I think is important to me. Other than that, I don't want to go out for shopping and doing blah, blah, blah. No, I want to actually talk about things which matters to me. So if I can emotionally connect with you, you're a good friend to me. Otherwise, I'll be I think I'm gonna zone out and we're just sitting and
तो
we're
आपने
like
अभी जोन आउट किया, आप इमोशनली हमसे कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो मतलब.
नहीं उस टाइम मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं ओपन अप हूँ कि नहीं हूँ, मैं इतनी भी बातें करूँ कि ना करूँ कि मैं एकदम से
पॉडकास्ट पे
चुप
आए
हो
हैं
जाऊँ.
मोहतरमा, आपको खुलना ही पड़ेगा.
हम खुल चुके हैं. देखो हमारे कपड़े भी खुल चुके हैं. So yeah.
Okay, so do breakups in influencer world get exaggerated for the content?
Yeah.
So the influencers
Because they get
themselves
more views now. It's all about views, darling. Everybody wants views, like, comment, hate, comment, whatever comment, but it's a part of your business. I don't think so. If somebody's going through a divorce and they want to let people know what's going on, what happened, how it happened, it's all because you want attention. And I think a lot of people misuse it because they are attention seeking. They have a problem of like attention seeking, so they just want constant attention. They want validation
But
from a
some
lot of
people, I
people.
think they don't want to put it out there, and कुछ लोग जबरदस्ती Reddit and all पे drag करते रहते हैं. So there's this influencer who got divorced. We all, मुझे लगता है उसको फालतू में, मतलब यार किसी को थोड़ा सा space दे दो. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है space भी देना चाहिए. कुछ लोग नहीं करते, genuinely PR ये TRP के
They
लिए.
just remove their last name and they get to know like, okay, I'm going through this period in my life and I want you guys to support me and that's it. Like, but still people want to know the tea, right? They still ask on Reddit, क्या हुआ, पता है क्या हुआ, पता है क्या हुआ.
Actually, genuinely, they don't want to speak about it and they want to remove बाल का खाल, all these people. But ठीक है यार, हमने खुद ही अपने conscious choice लिए कि हम हर चीज we are out there, तो ठीक है, right है लोगों का पूछने का, हमें बताना भी चाहिए. Now guys, we are entering a very fun segment where Simran has to answer our questions, and if she fails to answer our questions,
She has to eat mirchi.
and if I like her answer, चटपटा लगा मुझे उसका आंसर, तो उसको वो चॉकलेट खाने को मिलेगा अगर मैं अलाउ करूंगी तो. Okay,
वाह.
let's start.
खुशी.
One influencer who looks sweet but is actually very smart, calculative, and a little rude. नाम लेना पड़ेगा.
Finally.
Next question.
Okay.
आंसर नहीं कर पाएगी.
One influencer couple that feels more like content than love.
Mitaba Call and the boyfriend.
Okay.
You can have a chocolate. I like this answer.
I'm good.
Have it.
No.
It's a part of this. Have it. यार ये brown है, खाओ इसको, खत्म
वो
करो.
मिर्ची इतनी मिर्ची वाली नहीं थी.
Okay. An influencer whose content you secretly enjoy but would never admit publicly. Why wouldn't she admit publicly?
Because I don't
ऐसे ही
want
बता
to.
दो that an influencer जिसका content आप enjoy करते हो.
Hi babe, how are you?
क्या? अच्छा, you okay? ठीक
Do
है.
you like the answer or you didn't like the answer? You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
One influencer who changed completely after fame.
Everyone.
Kusha Kapila.
You met her personally?
Yeah, I've not met her personally, but I've met her at events once or twice. Like, she's nice, but I don't know now.
Most overrated influencer right now.
That Siddharth Batra.
Okay.
Okay. One influencer who you think is genuinely kind off camera.
Me. Yeah, me. I'm very kind.
देख मैं इसको जानती
None
हूँ
of
यार.
them guys.
थोड़ा सा
Trust
जानने
me.
लग गई हूँ क्योंकि
None
मैं भी
of
यही आंसर
them.
करती.
Yeah, it's me.
It's me.
मैंने कल ये practice किया था round.
Okay.
One influencer, okay, an influencer whose aesthetic is 10 on 10 but personality is.
Questionable.
I don't know. I don't know.
तो चाहती है, बोल नहीं रही बस. तेरी बारी.
Okay. One creator who copies trends but still wins somehow.
I don't know. मुझे नहीं पता यार, मैं इतना कंटेंट नहीं देखती. मैं वो गंदी AI रील्स देखती हूँ.
ओह हाँ,
हम्म।
और राजमा और चावल साथ में
हम्म।
वो वाली देखती हूँ.
पूरी ने आलू के साथ ब्रेकअप, गोभी के साथ ब्रेकअप करवाया. आई डोंट नो, आलू एंड गोभी.
Okay. An influencer you trust with your boyfriend.
रणवीर नलूला. रणवीर नलूला नहीं, रणवीर नरूला.
तो लौंडा हो गया, लड़की.
मी.
No one. So no one.
Clear
I
sign.
like her. I like her. I
मैं
like
अपनी तिजोरी की चाबी किसी को नहीं दूंगी. कम ऑन.
An influencer you would not trust with your boyfriend.
this तो if she names ना.
Not an influencer.
a
No,
girl,
I trust my boyfriend. I don't trust the other person.
उसी की बात कर रहे हैं. नाम लेना
Um,
पड़ेगा. नहीं तो मिर्ची खाओ.
She's not an influencer. She's an actress.
हाँ
Okay.
तो नाम लो.
नाम
नहीं
लो.
तो मिर्ची खाओ.
Janvi Kapoor.
Okay.
मिला है वो उससे कभी?
नहीं, he
आप मिर्ची खा ही लो. एक
he
काम
really
करो.
finds her hot. I don't know what's wrong with me. I need to have a mirchi.
She's become red only. थोड़ी मिर्ची से.
हाँ भी लग रहा है, थोड़ी मिर्ची लग रही है.
Oh, fuck you.
One influencer who is way richer than they show.
One influencer who's way richer than they show.
Yes.
अभी मेरे को ना, I just can't think of anyone like
Okay,
that.
one influencer who is not that rich as they show.
All Delhi influencers, I must say. I mean, I don't know. I'm not looking at the bank account.
I mean, but you hang out with them. Most of them. Actions will always speak louder than words, darling.
I don't know.
Okay.
Someone whose breakup felt more like a PR strategy.
If you're putting it out there, of course, it is a PR.
Who? Mirchi.
Mirchi. Red FM.
Oh fuck.
One influencer you think is super underrated and deserves more hype.
Me? What the fuck, dude? I'm trying my best. Sometimes, yeah.
One influencer you would love to swap your life for a day with.
Georgina Rodriguez. Yes, I would love to. I would love to be next to Ronaldo, like, you know, as his wife or not wife. But yes, I want all those Kelly and, you know,
The fakest influencer that you've come across.
I don't know.
Eat mirchi. You know everything. You just don't want to answer. So eat it now.
I don't-
नहीं, bro, eat it. मैं अपने पॉडकास्ट में अपने जेस को डांट
कितना torture कर रही है।
नहीं हूँ. वो सिर्फ
ये
थोड़ी
है।
मेरी जैसी है तो मैं उसके साथ कर पा
ये
रही हूँ. बट
है।
सबके साथ ऐसी नहीं हूँ. I'm not like
ये
that.
सबके साथ है.
भाई ये मिर्ची बहुत मिर्ची है.
पहले तो नहीं लग रही थी. बोल
लग
रही
रही
थी
है.
चॉकलेट खा ले. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Fuck. जल्दी.
One influencer you've muted but still follow for formality.
मुझे तो नहीं कर दिया.
तुझे ही करेंगे सब.
I don't know.
ओहो,
Can't
आज तो
say.
मिर्चियाँ पूरी खत्म हो जाएंगी लग रहा है.
Have you ever been a part of influencer gossip group? Yes or no? Yes.
Biggest fake we are besties duo online.
They're from Bombay only. Radhika stayed in the.
Do you
Friend.
think they're fake? I think they're good friends, yeah. No?
I don't know. Never seen their chats.
One influencer you would block if you weren't in this industry.
I am in the industry and I have blocked. I've got blocked by many makeup artists, yeah. Ever since I made those,
Who would you like to block?
I've already blocked them. Why would I not block them?
Who would you like to block as a creator? अपनी ही industry से.
No one. I want my haters to see what I'm doing.
अरे तुम्हारे haters तो है, तुम भी तो किसी को
Still, if you would have to
irritate,
choose
हाँ,
one.
एक को choose कर रही हो.
If you have to choose one, who would you block?
कि मतलब है relevant नहीं है, चल. Okay. है भी तो ठीक है, नहीं भी है.
Woken up Sid.
I don't know who's
Nobody knows him. So why give him some importance?
who is he?
He's also creator.
Oh ये
You can have
वो जो
chocolate.
बैडी वाली रील बनाते हैं, चटपटी बैडी ये वो and all
No.
that stuff. I don't know that.
He's like he makes on Bollywood. Salman, Amir.
So guys, this was a very fun podcast and I think हमें काफी ज़्यादा insights मिले हैं.
मजा
So
आया.
I think Simar has been a little bit diplomatic, but ठीक है.
बट मुझे
Real life में
rapid
she is
fire
more
अच्छा लगा.
चटपटी guys. I'll tell you.
चटपटी एंड में तो बहुत
I
अच्छी
really like her as a person. You know, I had जो मैंने सोचा था इसके बारे में वैसी ही निकली.
बट थोड़ी मिर्ची कम खाती तो और मजा आता.
मस्त है. I like it. Okay, Simar. So for anyone who wants to pursue content creation और अभी भी सोच रहा है कि क्या करे नहीं करे कैसे करे, so do you have one final advice for them?
सोचने का नहीं, just do it. I think you have nothing to lose. If you have nothing to lose and you know you want to make it big in life, I think you have to take a risk. Yeah, I took a risk. I have no idea where I was going, but then see, and there's work for everyone and there's a place for everyone. You just have to be consistent. You just have to be passionate. You just have to forget who's saying what. You need some really good friends and family and people to support you. And I feel like you just have to just fucking go for it.
That's what I feel. I used to feel really judged जब starting में मैंने
I still do feel, and I feel like you need to block that noise and you have to go for it, because as you see, everyone is there. No one, I mean, there are hardly any people because of maybe they've gone to a new chapter in life or whatsoever, but everyone is there and they choose to be there every single day. So you have to make your own choices and you have to just be there for yourself. And honestly, it's actually a great place to be at, because you get to know a lot about yourself, because this whole journey is a very complex journey, by the way, because you get to know about what kind of person you are, because you see a lot of challenges. You get to, you go through a lot of mental breakdowns, and there's like a lot to it. And then you see people who never liked you coming up to you and say, hey, I really like your content. And you see people who doubted you, because when I started, I know this guy who is a creator, and this guy who told me, like, he's like, why do you want to be an influencer? There's so many out there. You can do something else. But who are you to tell me? Look, and I'm not being very I'm not bragging, but see where I am today. If I would have listened to that guy, I would have still doing something which I don't like. One more thing, you're not going to love this job every day. There are days you're going to love it. There are days you're going to hate it. And you have to just keep pushing yourself and keep shooting. You will have a lot of failures, but you'll also have a lot of success. So,
yeah, I think we
Great inspiration for young influencers.
great inspiration. So okay guys, that's about it. We are ending our podcast on this note, and it was a fun podcast. That's Simar Arora. Please go and follow her on Instagram, and please follow our channel, guys. Please.
And comment.
bye.